Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing great. Welcomes back to our channel. If you are new here, welcome and consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that little bell notification below. It can be challenging for many new entrepreneurs to find out how to start a business. A list of the most lucrative small enterprises has been prepared. Each of these businesses is rapidly expanding and can offer you a comfortable living. Even better, none of them demands a sizable initial investment. Number 1. Auto repair. Getting an automobile into a shop might be challenging for even minor maintenance. After all, most of us rely on our cars to move around, so getting a vehicle repaired usually entails a long wait at the shop, renting a car for the day, or scheduling a trip with a friend or spouse. Both costly and cumbersome, these options are available. The good news is that, while some repairs do necessitate the use of auto shop equipment, many maintenance and repair services may be completed with only a few essential tools. If you're a mechanic, one of the most lucrative businesses you may start is a mobile auto repair service. If you're a good mechanic, one of the most successful business ideas is to create a mobile auto repair service. Oil changes, fluid refills, battery swaps, headlight replacement, and other benefits can all be performed in the customer's driveway or workplace parking lot. Number 2. Mobile food trucks. The food truck movement is expected to continue to expand. As the cost of living rises in major cities around the country, it's getting increasingly difficult for up-and-coming specialized food producers to afford a brick-and-mortar presence in the heart of town, where their consumers are most likely to be. Food trucks are an excellent answer. You may start a food truck by hitting the road and setting up shop at local events, farmers markets, and town squares, anywhere you can draw a crowd. With a food truck's minimal overhead and improved geographic mobility, you can transform your grandmother's legendary dumpling recipe or bizarre dessert idea into a profitable business. Consider that larger, trendier towns like San Francisco, Portland, and Boston already have a crowded food truck industry, so a more miniature heartland metropolis would be a better fit. Food trucks also have their own set of ordinances, business licenses, safety compliance criteria, and the need for food business insurance, so check with your local health department to see what is required. Number 3. IT support. Although 2/3 of Americans believe they are tech-savvy, the reality is that they frequently require assistance. Some people even make their laptops or other gadgets vulnerable to identity theft and hackers. Unfortunately, manufacturers' free customer phone support is often unhelpful when things go wrong or fail to remedy the problem. If technology comes easy to you, and you're patient, then the most profitable business for you might be going on the road with mobile IT help, at least in your neighborhood. This low-overhead company approach is almost pure profit because all you need is time, transportation, and your know-how. Number 4. Shared accessories and attire. Sites like Rent the Runway and Gwinny have banked on the idea of the sharing economy, where we want and need to own less stuff, so instead, we share resources. This trend has led to small business opportunities for these companies, offering borrowed or rented clothing and accessories at a fraction of their purchase prices. And because the same piece of inventory can generate revenue multiple times, the profitability of these ventures is pretty significant. Do you have an eye for fashion and a sense of style not currently offered by other rental services? Maybe you're ready to be the next big thing. But even if you're not prepared to launch a multi-million-dollar fashion startup, you can just as quickly profit from shared fashion at the local level. Gather some favorite accessories or clothing picks and host a borrowing party for high school students before the next formal dance. Greek life formals are another excellent opportunity to profit from shared economy fashion if you're in a college town. And because you're taking shipping costs out of the equation, you have the potential to be even more profitable than the more prominent startups. That's it from this video. We hope you liked it. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about next videos. Bye.